Welcome to Chapter 11. In this chapter, we're going to take a deeper look at circles and some of their properties and measurements and their interesting lines that intersect and pass through circles. And we're going to learn about some of the interesting theorems that surround some of the angles that are formed when these lines intersect inside, outside, and on the perimeter of a circle. Before we get going, it's important for us to know a few important terms. We're going to start off by creating a few circles and talking about their definitions inside this little sketchbook here, which is called GeoGebra. So we're going to create a circle. We all know that circles are created by a center point and then a specific radius. So here's our circle. Center point is A. The radius of this circle is A to B, that line segment there. So the plural of radius is radii. So all radii are congruent in a circle. So here's our two radii, AB and AC, for this circle. Another important line segment inside a circle is called a chord. A chord is formed by the two endpoints that are on the circumference of that circle. So this is an example of a chord, chord DE. Now there's an interior part of a circle, and there's an exterior part to the circle. And any point that's on the exterior would just be considered a point that lies on the exterior, and any point, such as point G here, that lies within the circumference of the circle would be considered on the interior of that circle. A few other important terms are a secant and a tangent. Let's first of all talk about a secant. A secant is a line that passes through the circle in 2 points. So here is an example. This is line HI, and it passes through the circle in 2 points. Another interesting point is called a tangent. And a tangent is a line that passes through the circle in exactly 1 point. So here is a line, BJ, and it passes through the circle, actually just touches the circle. So it would be similar to like where the surface of a tire meets the road. So this is called a tangent. It touches the circle in exactly 1 point. Now there's a few other important terms. Another important term to know is congruent circles. Two circles are congruent if they have the same radius. So I'm going to create another circle here, circle K, and I'm going to make sure that it is congruent to circle A, and you can see that they have the same radius. AB looks like it's about 3, and KJ looks like it's about 3 as well. So these are congruent circles. Now there's also such thing as concentric circles. Concentric circles are two circles that have the same center. So here's another circle, KL, and it is a concentric circle to KJ. They have the same circle. So it kind of looks like a bullseye. In fact, I could keep making circles here, smaller and smaller radii, and it looks like a cool little target sign. So those are concentric circles. Another important term is called a common tangent. A common tangent is a line that is tangent to two circles. So again, BJ here is our line that's tangent to circle A, and it's tangent to circle K. Two circles are tangent if they touch in one spot here. So you can see here I have this circle K to L, and it comes over here and it touches my circle A at point I.